Hi, my name's Dan, and this video is one in a series that I'm doing on particle effects in the Unreal Engine. And the series from this video onwards is going to be using the Niagara system. There are two systems in Unreal. There's Niagara and Cascade. Niagara is the new one. And if you want to use it, you need to enable it in your engine. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So you just need to go to Settings and choose Plugins. And there's a huge list of things here, which are additional content that you can enable to use in your Unreal Editor. And what we want is the Niagara effect system. So I've just typed Niagara in there, and it's the same old kind of thing that you get in Unreal all the time, is that you need to refine your list down by typing into a text box. I'm just going to click Enable for the Niagara effect system and restart. And so that's needs to restart the engine so that it'll load that in. That doesn't take very long because we've not got very big projects. I can close that down. And now when I right click, I've got an extra option here, which is FX, which is these Niagara bits of the system. That might be the smallest, shortest video that I've got in my channel. I don't know, but that's it from me for now.